Okay, we are going on to the next item. Next item is steel rubber bushing disassembling and mounting tool for BPW. So an axle manufacturer, what you find on a lot of trucks and trailers. This special tool is for bushings in a diameter between 50 and 60 millimeters, and we use it for stabilizers, for these shackles what you have in the suspension. And the smart thing in BPW is that they don't have so much different types of bushings, so we cover a lot of axles with exactly this tool. It works very simple because we don't have any hydraulic system or stuff like that. We just have a spindle. Yeah, as you can see here, nothing special, a spindle. We have the plate, and yeah, we have the sleeve. Yeah? And what we are doing is we can work directly at the trailer. We can mount it at the stabilizer, and what we are doing is we lean against the bushing, and then we have the plate over here, and then we just pull. Yeah, that's it. Nothing special. It's more or less every truck workshop knows how to use it, and the bushing itself is also an item what have to change from time to time, because it's directly at the suspension when you have the stabilizer. With all these suspension parts, yeah, they get worn. Yeah, depends a little bit on the roads, but it is an item, or it is a part of the truck which has changed from time to time. Nothing more to say about that, and I think we should go to the next item.